under a memorial tent.
Don't reach for anything, all right, man? Stop right there for me. Dispatch 443. I got the suspects, and they're currently treating the victim. Again, he's on the north end of the stadium. All right. Any weapons on you like that? Come on. I'll look here.
How long? He put his hands over there. I know I'm not.
4-4, copy. I'll be in route.
Help me. Y'all back up a little bit. Come over here for me. Over here.
447,
I'm gonna put your handcuffs for now, okay, bud? Dispatch 443. Everybody can slow down. I got the alleged suspect in handcuffs right now, detained.
Everyone else can slow down. Suspects detained in handcuffs.
Hold on. You can open up the channel, and medics are clear to come in. Have them come to the northeast entrance. That's gonna be a gate that's wide open there, and then you come to the victim from there. Alright, this is the alleged suspect. All right, bud.
Dispatch is 432.
Huh? Okay. We'll figure that in. So nothing on your person at all?
No, sir.
Nothing?
No, sir.
Mind if I reach in your pockets and stuff and all that? Nothing gonna stab me now?
No, sir.
Okay.
I have
I'm going to be out with this.
I'm gonna get a little personal there, okay? Just to make sure.
My car's right there.
Okay. Yeah.
You want me to get up now?
Go. All right. The victim's gonna be underneath that tent over there, so I'll get medics.
I think he was analyzing.
Memorial tent over there, guys. All right.
He put his hands on me. I told him not to. He put his hands on me.
What's happening right now? Victim is over here on the north end. They got staff standing to him right now. This is the alleged suspect. All right. Already? No. Already searched them. Got nothing
I
on
don't
him.
know what happened.
423. Checkers everything with CPR progress for a little bit.
Crazy.
Yeah, that's the wrong thing.
Crazy.
Side over here or side? Up to you. It's up to you.
That's fine. This is closer.
Okay. Let me do one more little check of you, okay?
Yes, sir.
You don't mind for reaching your pockets, anything like that? You good?
You can.
Well, you're just wearing one pair of pants?
No, ma'am. I'm wearing some little underpants.
Oh, yeah. But no, did it not
Like,
pockets?
no, ma'am. I don't think so.
Okay.
All right. What's your name, man?
Carmelo Anthony. Karmelo.
430, show me out.
Okay.
Crazy.
On this side. Have a seat here real quick, man. Watch your head. Let me check your hood here, buddy, okay?
Yes, sir.
Well, I'll tell you what, lean this way so you're not resting on your hands, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, see a little bit of blood on your hands there, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
402, I'm on scene.
So your first name is Karmelo?
Yes, sir. Karmelo.
Let's see, hold on one second.
Is he gonna be okay?
I don't know yet, man. Karmelo, C-A-R-A.
K-A-R.
K-A-R-M-E-L-O.
M-E-L-O.
Carmelo. What's your last name?
Anthony.
A-N-T-H.